This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform with over 25,000 different courses, and for just $10 per month, you can sign up and take as many courses as you'd like. Get your first 2 months free by using the link in the video description below. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kurt Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and grow their own e-commerce brand and business. So if you want to learn exactly how to grow an e-commerce brand and business, then I highly recommend that you get subscribed to my channel and click that notification bell if you want to get notified when I release new videos. Okay, with that said, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I got to $10,000 in sales without spending a dime on marketing. So I have 5 strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you. So I highly recommend you watch this entire video. When I was starting my business back in 2014, I didn't have any money set aside to invest in marketing. So this may come as a surprise to you, especially if you've been watching some of my previous videos, because I'm always recommending that you have a marketing budget set aside for your business before you actually launch your business. And that is still the recommendation today, but I just wanted to share this bit of information with you to tell you exactly how I bootstrapped the business in the first 6 to 8 months without spending a dime on marketing. And within these 6 months, I actually grew the business to approximately $10,000 or $20,000 in sales. I don't remember the exact figures, but I did scale the business to over $10,000 in sales without investing a dime into marketing. So there are 5 things that we did in the business back then that I'm going to be sharing with you right now. And these are things that you can use in your business right now to help you to market your business, whether or not you have a marketing budget in place. Okay, so one of the first major things we did back in 2014 that had a really big impact on our business and helped us to propel the business to over 5 figures in sales within the first 6 months was that we got the business on local TV. So even with the rise in social media, even back in 2014, television still have a lot of credibility. And if you can get your business on TV on a very good program, this can actually help you to skyrocket your business in a very short space of time, because people still see TV as being one of the most credible sources of information. So we were very strategic as to how we went about it. So what we did was we found a program that would cater to the specific niche that we wanted to target, and then we contacted the producer for that program, and that is exactly how we went about getting the business on local TV. So most people think it's difficult to get their business on a local TV program, but in most cases it's not very difficult. So it's just a matter of you finding the right program, finding out exactly who the producer for that show is, getting into contact with that producer and negotiating the terms as to how you can actually get on that show. So that is exactly what we did, and the minute we got the business on that local television program, we started getting a lot of traffic, we got a lot of emails, a lot of phone calls, and the business actually took off from there. So it's very important for you to try to get your business on a local TV program, one that is in line with the product or service that you're trying to sell. And if you can do this, you can actually skyrocket your business in a very short space of time. As I mentioned earlier, TV is still one of the most credible forms of information in the minds of a lot of consumers. So that's the first strategy that we used back in 2014 that really helped us to get the business going. The second thing we did, which is quite similar to the first, is that we actually got the business in the local newspaper. And this is something that we did several times over. So we got the business in the local newspaper for free several times within the first 6 months, and this really helped us to propel the business. So just as it is with the local television, the local newspaper is considered to be credible source of information, and if you can get your business in that local newspaper, then of course this will help you with your credibility, which can actually translate into customers for your business. So as you can see, what we did was we targeted the media at that time, and by getting the business in the local media for free, this actually helped us to get the business in front of several targeted people really fast. So this is what I highly recommend that you do for your business. And once again, you can actually do this for free. Some newspapers will want you to pay for ad space in the local newspaper, but if you contact the editor, you can actually negotiate and get your business in the local newspaper for free. So this is the second thing we did for the business back in 2014, and it really helped us to grow the business fast back then. The third marketing strategy that really helped us to promote the business back then and helped us to reach new audiences really fast, that translated into sales, was that we took full advantage of the networks that we had at the time, and we utilized this network to help us to share and promote the business. So this is extremely effective, and if you can actually get people in your network, whether it be your friends or family or acquaintances, to help you to share and promote your business, you can actually tap into new audiences really fast. So this is from a phenomenon known as the small world phenomenon, and it's based on some research that was done by Stanley Milgram back in the 1960s, I think, which is called the small world experiment. And basically what Stanley Milgram found was that there is only a 6 degrees of separation between you and any other person in this world. So sharing content and sharing information online is very effective. So if you can actually get people in your network to help you to promote your business by sharing your content with their network, and perhaps their network share the content with their network, then you can actually grow your business really fast, because this is one of the fastest ways to actually get your business in front of new audiences. So this is a strategy we used effectively back in 2014. So of course we had to give away some products. So we gave some products to some of our close friends and some of the influencers that we knew personally, and these people actually helped us to actually reach a lot of new people, which translated into sales, which actually helped us to grow the business really fast back then, grew our revenue. So that allowed us to actually have money to invest into marketing after the first 6 months. So once again, you want to make sure that you're using your network to your advantage. Get people in your network to help you to promote your brand, and this will be very effective in helping you to drive sales for your business. The fourth strategy we used to market the business back then for free that was really effective was that we created really good quality content for our social media pages. So this is extremely important, and if you're not yet creating high quality content for your social media pages, I highly recommend you start doing that right now. This will help you to create a really good brand image for your brand, which will translate into sales. So recently I created a video where I talked to you guys about how to get micro influencers to promote your business for free, and if you have not yet seen that video, I highly recommend you go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to be leaving a link in the card above, so make sure you check out that video as soon as you're finished watching this video. So you want to make sure that you're creating high quality content for your social media pages. So most of the content we created back then was created by myself and my business partner, but we also got micro influencers to create content for us for free, and we did that by giving them products for free, as I mentioned before. So this is very effective, and I highly recommend that you start doing this, because having a good Instagram feed with consistently high quality content that you publish consistently 2 to 3 times per week can actually help you to grow your business very fast. So this actually helped us to generate a lot of sales, and I highly recommend you start doing that right now. Okay, so the fifth and final strategy that I want to share with you, which is quite possibly the most effective free marketing strategy that you can use to help you to grow your business, is to host giveaways on social media. So this is something that we have done for several years and we continue to do today because it's effective, and you can host a giveaway for free. All right, so what we do is we set up a giveaway using a website called Kingsumo, and with Kingsumo you can actually link that with a free email marketing software such as MailChimp, and you can set up a giveaway, and for people who enter into your giveaway you can actually capture their email address in an email marketing software that you can immediately start marketing to these people even before the giveaway as completed. So this is a very effective strategy that you can use to help you to market your business, and this is something that you can do for 100% free. So hosting giveaways is a really good way for you to reach new audiences and for you to market your business to people for free. So if you're not hosting giveaways for your brand, I highly recommend that you start hosting giveaways, and if you do it quite effectively, you can actually use this to grow a really large email list that you can then target and remarket to generate consistent sales for your business. Okay, so there you have it. Those were the 5 strategies we use to get the business to $10,000 in sales without spending a dime on marketing. So I really do hope you found a ton of value in this video, and if you did, please share this video with a friend. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and get subscribed and tap that notification bell so you can get notified when I release my next video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.